Before the action, a first glimpse of things to come, the launch of the new World Rally Championship season at the Autosport International Motorsport Show in the UK. Thousands of fans and the world's media gathering as the WRC once again took centre stage in Birmingham. Plenty of familiar faces, sporting fresh colours in several cases after a lively, close season on the driver merry-go-round. Similar machines to last year, gleaming proudly in fresh liveries, fans keen to get close to the cars and the crews alike. They won't look pristine for long though, their mission to tackle the world's toughest terrain.
Get all the action, all live, anywhere, anytime. WRC Plus, all live.